Hello everyone, in the episode of Reviews Pro today, we are talking about the best Sony gaming TV in this year. And if you want to see the price and find out more information about this gaming TV, you can check out the links down in the description. Also click subscribe at the button to stay up to date with the latest reviews. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. Here we've got a gaming TV that is produced by using Sony. Yes, of root. Sony is a true giant when it comes to the manufacturing of masterpieces, and this model is any other example from a designing. This is an super huge 85-inch TV which looks super and is installed on a narrow black body. Moreover, the computing device stand enjoys a stunning metallic finish for turning in minimalistic beauty. Now let's talk about the connectivities. It capabilities for HDMI ports, USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0, and RF enter, optical digital audio output, integrated Wi-Fi, far-off control, one shared thing video input and proportion composite video inputs. It is likewise a smart Android TV, so it supports plenty applications for customizing the presentation of the content. In addition, it is like-minded with Amazon Alexa for controlling it along with your voice. Everything could be kept in a prepared manner and the experience could be tremendous with this TV. You can experience a while on YouTube, Hulu and Amazon Video at the same time as looking your preferred content material pleasingly properly. Now let's talk about the overall performance. This TV features a full array of neighborhood boosting and dimming for turning in a beautiful night view full of rich lighting fixtures and deeper blacks. The assessment is as much as 5 times stronger than the conventional LED TVs, so each scene is presented wonderfully and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. Moreover, it features an X1 4K HDR processor for delivering even extra distinct, natural and practical patterns and textures. Your gaming experience may be breathtaking because all your games can be displayed like you've got by no means visible earlier than. Another exquisite aspect about having a better gaming experience is the Triluminos display era that deliver an accurate reproduction of RGBs and rather precise gradation. The sound is powerful, sufficient to provide very distinct explosions or footsteps that is notable for gaming. And of root, you could also in reality listen dialogues even as watching your favorite films or TV suggests. When you going to play your favorite video games, this TV guarantees which you gained see any substantial lag and the movement coping with is close to ideal. Regardless, in case you coping with dynamic conditions full of motion or excessive gameplay, you may enjoy the rich visible appeal of your video games. To conclude, this is a very true TV which changed into supposed to meet your visible needs at the same time as looking your favorite films, TV suggests, sports activities and more importantly your gaming periods. You need to simply take this TV into attention due to the fact it's far brilliant and appears simply elegant. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. And if you have any questions related to this gaming TV, you can leave a comment down below. I will hit you up as soon as I can.